James Timpson, fund manager of the Courtiers Multi-Asset Funds, is here to tell me how things have been going throughout January. James, hi. Courtiers Funds, January 2024, already into February. How's it been so far this year?
Well, Leo, markets have had a bit of a mixed bag in terms of the start of the year. So in the UK, there was a bit of a wobble. So I mentioned in the client seminar last December that certainly at the moment, markets tend to be more volatile on days when inflation data comes out. And that came to pass in January. So the ONS released its monthly inflation update, and the CPI was slightly higher than expected. And markets didn't like that.
Consumer Prices Index.
That's right, yes. So the FTSE 100 index fell about 1.5% on that day. And it ended the month down about 1.3%. Elsewhere, though, returns have been positive. So in the US, the S&P 500 index reached new all-time highs during the month due to expectations that we're going to be seeing some rate cuts imminently. And I think that will be one of the big themes this year. It's when or if central banks are going to be cutting interest rates.
James, 2023 we all know was a volatile year for markets and for Courtiers investors. 2024, are we going to be seeing the same kind of a journey now? May we be seeing positive returns sooner into the year, or is it too early to tell?
I mean, it's always too early to tell, but you know, as I say, one of the big themes will be interest rates. We've also got elections coming up this year, so you've got to consider geopolitical risk as well. But really, all you can do is remain diversified, which is what we always do in the Courtiers funds. In fact, one of the things we've been looking at recently is expanding our emerging market portfolio. And just this morning, actually, we purchased some small holdings in a diverse group of Thailand banks. So those give us exposure to Thailand and will benefit if the economy in Thailand improves. So we're expanding our emerging market portfolio and also looking for opportunities elsewhere.
We might dig a bit more into the emerging markets and see what Courtiers is doing about that in some future commentary. But for now, James, thank you very much for the update.
Thank you.
I look forward to catching up with you again next month. To our viewers, thank you very much for watching, and we look forward to keeping you updated in the near future.